Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. This video is going to be on UNICE or UNICE. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but they did send me a wig over that was giving very much Beyonce vibes, and I just had to try this wig out. They did put a wig cap in the box as well as a silk bag for the wig. So this is basically going to be a talk through video of how I do everything. I'm just gonna go into detail as much as I can about everything I'm doing in this video. And I hope this helps somebody, because I feel like every time I do a lace wig, I kind of mess up, but then I always, you know, come back and realize my failures. So if you want to follow along, just make sure you listen to the video and just go step by step with everything I'm doing. So I use the got2b gel and just apply it all over my wig cap after placing it on, just because I want the wig cap to stay on so that I can cut it and then give it that bald cap method. I think that's what it's called, girl, I don't know, but this is what I'm doing just to make sure that I can get that scalp look under my wig. So this wig does come pre-highlighted and just like this, straight out of the box. It does have, I think, about 3 combs on the inside and has the lace all the way at the front. So usually while my wig cap is drying, I usually pluck the wig in any areas that I feel like I want to look like a little bit more natural and not so heavy. But it didn't really seem like I needed to pluck. You definitely can. It already came with baby hairs, as you can see here. So I didn't end up plucking anything, and I did not bleach the knots. So I'm still learning how to do the little ear flap thing on the wig cap. So y'all just bear with me in this portion right here. I was trying to figure out how to get that little piece to stay back on where I needed it to. So So as you can see, as I'm cutting the wig cap, it's a harsh white line, which will definitely disappear once I go in and add some more got2b gel. I think last time I did this, I put the makeup on first and then applied the got2b gel. But this time I ended up putting the got2b gel and then I put the makeup on. So I think you're supposed to put the makeup on the wig cap before putting the got2b gel back on to then apply the wig. So right here, I had already cut the lace because I had cut it the first time and put it on my head, and it wasn't right because my wig cap was too far in the front and I needed to cut it back a little bit more. So that's what I went ahead and did, and then I had already cut the lace off. So this is just me putting it on one more time in the right places that I need. So I have got to be gel underneath this wig that I let dry for a little while. And I'm just using the metal piece of the rat tail comb to push down the lace and to just move those baby hairs forward, so that when I get ready to do them, after laying the frontal down completely and getting it how I need it to be, then I can mess with the baby hairs after. So this is me just making sure that I'm pressing that lace into my scalp.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling.
This wig was so super soft. I will say this wig is one of my favorites. I think it's my top favorite. My top favorite. And I feel like it lays so much flatter because I didn't put braids in my hair, which I'm so happy about. You'll see when I take the silk wrap off how it looks.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed.
Now, I will say I'm not an absolute pro when it comes to the lace front wigs, but I will say I did the best job that I think I could possibly do. I really think I did a good job on this wig, and I really love this wig. So if you guys have any, opinions or recommendations that I should do, maybe in the future, you can definitely leave it down in the comments below and let me know.
it's your money you fund. Depend on no one else to give you what you want. The shoes on my feet, the clothes I'm wearing, the rock I'm rocking. 'Cause I depend on me. If I want it, the watch I'm wearing, the house I live in, the car I'm driving. I depend on me. I depend on me. All the money, make the money. Throw your hands up at me, baby. Rock dollar. Throw your hands up at me. All you ladies, truly feel me. Throw your hands up at me. Get down like that. Charlie, how your angels get down like that. Girl, I didn't know you could get down like that. Charlie, how your angels get down like that. Destiny's Child, you and I have shown up. We'll break these people off. Angels, Destiny's Child, you and I have shown up. We'll break these people off. Angels, Destiny's Child, you and I have shown up. We'll break these people off. Angels, Destiny's Child, you and I have shown up. We'll break these people off. Angel style. Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own ring. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes